fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans.
Hey guys! Welcome to another segment of podcast, which is the Learn with Us. So for today, we have another segment. But before we start, let me introduce our guest for today. The first one is Giselle. The second one is Cyril. And the last one is Steve. So, kasama natin sila for our segment today. So, are you ready, guys?
Yes, we are.
Grabe yung energy. And for today's podcast, we are going to discuss about events management and NC3 services. So for today, we have 3 questions here that you are going to answer. So the first question is what you have learned in EMS NC3 services. So for you, Steve.
So, sayaw na naman ako.
Sige, sige,
So,
pwede,
for the
pwede.
past few months na mapagtudlo ni Ma'am Monica sa mo ay dagang kinagatunan, which is event planning, organizing, and also how to talk to clients. So, importante rin na siya para mag-start sa imong business. So, basta daghan pa siya, mo lang to ko mention para na ma-story ako.
Okay. How about you, Cyril?
So I think I learned handling events from planning, organizing to executing programs smoothly and safe. I think that's all.
Okay. How about you, Amarils?
I think I've learned about EMS incentives is that it really teaches you on how to properly manage an event from start to finish, and it covers everything from planning, budgeting, and handling the suppliers, clients, and even solving a problems during an event.
Also, events management is more on studying about identifying our audience or clients in every event that we handle. So for our next question is, what are your responsibilities as an event organizer? So let's start with Cyril.
I think my responsibilities includes making plans, coordinating with suppliers,
Yes.
monitoring the staffs, and creating a program flow, and also solving problem during the event.
How about you, Steve?
So, is daghan yung responsibilities ng isang event organizer, no? Isa dito ang para ma-satisfy ang ang clients bitaw sa imong service na gihatag.
Yes.
So, kanang on how to make your events run smoothly. So, inano.
Yes. How about you?
I think as an event organizer, no, kay ikaw jud ang in charge sa tanan, so that everything ganing nga nasa event is walay issue ba pag na sugod na ganing event kay ikaw magud ang balikan sa client kung naay mamali.
So basically, ang role sa management is kailangan na to mahatag ang kanang goal-oriented ta as a manager, and then mahatag na to ang satisfaction sa isa ka client. So for our next question or the last question is, what are the key elements to consider when planning? O yun yung pinaka-crucial dun sa mga events, labaw na kailangan yung mag-gain ang trust sa atong client. So, para sa mo, Steve, share your knowledge sa elements.
So, ang kay planning. Sa planning dyan tapos we need to have a plan B bitaw sa everything na itong ginabuhat, like kanang asa dapat ang set up as ang venue or ang kaning asa mag-take place ang isang ka-event, and also kanipod sa kaning you need to have a risk management bitaw, like kanang dapat kanang like 2 steps ahead ka sa anything na imong ginabuhat kay naay ka ng mga kaning mga problema bitaw na mag-arise so moto.
How about you, Sai?
Same sa history ni Steve, no? Very crucial ditong plan sa event. We really need to consider it. But I think dapat daghan na kailangan po natin i-consider like the venue and the suppliers and especially the budget. What yun na itong pinaka-need i-consider kay tungod nakabase ato ang event sa budget nga igahin sa. I think that's
So, I think na kung mag-plan mo kag-event, kailangan dyan din mo muna-unaon kung unsay purpose ng event, unsa dyan tayo ang event kayo. Like, isud po, magwat-wat kag-event nga, wala ko kabalo para asa dito. Kasi mga client,
Isod po.
So, para sa ako kay ang key element dyan sa isa ka management or kanang mag-handle kag organization or event kay kailangan dyan natin mag-gain ng trust sa ato ang clients kay number 1 sa budgeting jud kay o dyan ang pinaka-crucial jud I think sa taga-event kay daghan
Transparent.
kailangan transparent.
Daghan ba dito matunan? Depende na lang sa tuwa kung saan na to siya excellent.
Actually exciting ang events management jud na
Ikaw ganahan.
topics. Hindi ka ganahan. Hindi ka makaganahan. Para dili ni mo forte. Alam,
Dili
pero
mo ganahan.
dili di ka ganahan jud ikaw. Sakto lang.
Plus
Dili po. Pero naman ko maganda to subject, kailangan na to siya tagaano pa. Tagaano og importante.
Mas gwapo man pugod yun ang flexible ka sa tanan ng tao. What if, di ba, kuhon, makahandle ko.
Kani man pud na subject, magamit pud nato ni sa pang personal life pud kay may magulay event na makahitabo sa inyo.
Families,
Panimalay no.
ano.
Family. Dili na mo kailangan mamuha og mga supplier kay ikaw no.
Pwede po siya
Kaya na
extra
rin mo.
income po yun.
Hindi pud gani. Pwede na ikaw ang may ano ninyo, mag-decorate.
Parehas kay Pons, di ba? Katong
Bitaw man to.
Katong niagi siya po na nag-held sa reunion nila. So, nagamit yun iyang pag ano. So, napa may lain ma-share about events management?
Para siguro to.
yeah, I think that's
So, I think that's all for this podcast segment. And we hope na namin na learn sa mo ang podcast for today. So, that's it.
That's all for now guys. Thank you for watching.
See you in our next podcast.